So for the last part of our snazzy bit, because this is nice and thick, I'm going to put the silicone glue, and in this instance it's roof and gutter. I don't know how it goes with pooled water. If it leaks, I'll just change the glue to something else. And you can see the little hearts, they will be reflected. I don't know if you can see them in there, but I'll certainly show that off when we get to. Normally I'd use a little baggie for this because my hands and well, my wrist doesn't deal with the gun very well. So, but I'm going to try it. Oh, it's a disaster. As I say, just give it a crack. What's the worst thing that can happen? I have to go and wash it all off and start again. So once I've got my glue there, and like I say, this can be a little pot. If I wanted to, you could drill a hole through here. You could leave a little bit unglued and let it dribble out if you wanted to. If this is completely waterproof, it can actually be a little vase. So it's up to you what you do with this, or it can just be plain as is. So then position it where you need it to be. And that's pretty easy because it already has its little template there. And in about an hour or so, I'm going to come back and clean off the excess. You can get these, now let me find it, pretend fingers. Found it, Gazillion. One pretend finger. And this is what they use to smooth out silicone when they're doing bathrooms. So here's my first chance at using it. I haven't put on enough. Oh yes, there I have. I've put on enough there to smooth it around, and it takes the excess off for you. How cute is that? But here I'm going to cut it and peel it away. Just in case you're an excess glue user, which normally I am, I can't believe it. But I'm using clear, well, translucent glue here, so I'm not overly worried. So what do we think of that little vertical garden? I'm pretty happy.